Well, we were gonna attempt cooking for the first time with this head cam. We already have a culprit, just drinking our water that we were gonna use. But I was just gonna cook this little ramen pack today. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if the camera angle's good or not. Just doing some testing for now. Okay, let's start with some water. Navi, you're in the way. Decent amount of water, and then we can just start the cooking process slash just boiling the water. Alrighty, so we'll just little ignition here. Move for the fire. Fire's on. A very tiny bit. This should be pretty quick. Turn the fan. Cool, and then we're gonna be making this today, this Korean ramen. So, yeah. We're just gonna wait for the water to boil. Give some time. Alright, we have a little intermission, so we're gonna bully Navi for a bit. Hey Navi, why are you on my table? Why are you on my table? It's okay folks, I'm gonna wash my hands before I touch any of the ramen stuff. Water's still cooking, but there she is. Come on, come on, you know you want to drop. Come on, come on. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you, babe. Alright, the water is heating now. Let's start putting our preliminary things in here. It's hot, we'll set it here. There she is, watching the window. So this bag comes with... This bag comes with these two things. So, a nice dried seasoning here. I'll add this. And then we're actually going to take something from a different packet. We're going to actually use this. This is from the Indomie packets. It's a fried onion and its own seasoning. We're going to add that too. Just because I like the flavoring of this. Normally this is the point in which I would also add some vegetables, but today we're going to keep it just a bit simpler. Let's hope I don't have to edit the angle later, but this is what we're going to be working with today. Don't want to touch that, it's a bit hot. And then we can add the very nice curry sauce here. So I can get it to open, it's a bit hard. Alright, let's just kind of dump that in. Shoot that a bit, and just throw away this remainder right in there. It's fine. Let's mix this a bit. Try to basically scrape this off the bottom of the pot. The reason I like the curry one a lot is because it's not too spicy. There's also just ramen, so it's like it's not too complicated to make. Yeah, I think that's ready, and now we can add our ramen pack in. So the way I like to get more flavor is that I don't add that much water. I probably add like, I don't know, 3/4 of that bowl. I'll get the exact measurements somewhere. Cool, and then we'll just put the little pack in slowly. Stuff in here. Alright, and then we just let this simmer a bit. I can put the cap back on actually, for now. Alright, I will reconnect in a minute. And we are back. Let's start removing this cap. Let's go down right here. Do a little hello to Navi. And so it's in a better state now. We can just move this around. I think normally I would also crack an egg and put it in here at this point. I just happen to not have eggs for this recording. I need to get some eggs. Yeah, and then we also have this thing on pretty low heat, so it has to turn down even more. And this is just your basic ramen pack. It's pretty much done. And next time, I'm turning the heat for now. But next time I would normally just cut some vegetables too. So next time I'm gonna add some vegetables to these. Just not today, I was just messing with the camera today. So normally I would add this and then crack an egg on top too. I just gotta actually go get that. Ignore all the drinks I have. That's pretty good. Alright, I'm just gonna do the process of pouring this in. We can pretty much turn off the fan now, because I've already turned off the stove. So, gonna get these nice little heat-proof grabbing things. And then we're just gonna pour the ramen in here. Nice. This gets pretty hot, so this is pretty simple. Just do this slowly so it doesn't splatter that much. And yeah, it's pretty much your basic ramen pack with broth. I know a lot of people actually don't like eating this with the broth, and they actually just prefer to just have the ramen like on a plate with some other things. That style's cool too. I just prefer the broth, so. There for now, and then this is basically it. Yeah, this is your basic quick snack you can make at home. So I don't know, to be able to make ramen's kind of hilarious, but well, that's pretty much it. Ready to be snacked on. Well, I'll say goodbye to the viewers, Navi. Say a little goodbye to them. We will catch you in the next one where we make something more than this.